Ever wondered what's hiding behind the glow of Diwali? Let's uncover the science that lights up this festival. When thousands of diyas burn together, the rising heat pushes away damp air and tiny insects, naturally cleaning the surroundings. And mustard oil? It acts like a mild disinfectant, ancient tradition, backed by solid science. Those brilliant colors? Pure chemistry. Different metals create the fireworks' magical palette. And the loud booms? Traditionally believed to scare off insects after the monsoon. A festive sound shield. Light doesn't just brighten homes, it brightens you. Diwali lights trigger serotonin, the brain's happy hormone. That warm glow literally lifts your mood and energy. This Diwali light up your home and your mind.